Today, I will show you how to install board and batten. So first step to install your wall, you need to start with a starter strip. Here are your two options. Option 1, drip cap. Option 2, you combine the drip cap with the brick transition together. For your first option with the drip cap, just install it at the bottom of your wall. For a second option with the brick transition, just install it on top of the drip cap. Now that you have installed the starter strip and all your other molding, it's time to install the board and batten panel. For your first panel, it's important to cut where the bend is. When your cut is done, you can insert it inside the side trim. After that, secure the panel with a screw at every 16 to 24 inches at the top of the hole. After having installed your first panel, here is the J-trim filler. It's an optional molding that you insert inside your J-trim. Here's how to install the next panel. First, insert at the top. Slide it down, and when it's done, you just have to clip. To make sure your panel is correctly installed, you should have 10 inches between two batten. Here's how to finish your wall. Step 1, take your measurement. Step 2, recreate your measure on the panel. Step 3, add 3/4 of an inch on your measurement. That will help you to fold the sheet. Step 4, cut and fold the panel. Step 5, install the panel.